with another Misfits unboxing. It's been a while since I got a Misfits box, just because, you know, I wasn't too happy with all of their service lately, but we're gonna give it another go. I ordered some very fun, interesting things, and we're gonna open up and take a look. So there's only one thing in my Misfits box that they did not get that I ordered, which was red cabbage. So we got these cute little guys here. I bought 2 of them because I thought they'd be good little snacks for the kiddos. Sweet Kishu mini Mandies. So cute. But yeah, I got 2 of them. Adorable. This is probably the saddest green cabbage I've ever seen. That's so sad. But I'm going to peel off all the bad layers and try to salvage it. This, what? They did get my red cabbage. They said they couldn't get the red cabbage, but there's definitely a red cabbage in here. It looks sad and sus, but there is red cabbage. But most of the veggies I got in this box are for ramen bowls. We got some green onions because it's cold out, and your girl wants some comforting, warm food. What is this? Oh, these are those apples. Oh my god, they just, okay, well. They don't look very appetizing on the outside, but that's kind of the gist of the Misfits Market stuff, is they're not supposed to look the prettiest, but apparently these apples are red on the inside. They're Lucy Glow apples. All right, and oh my gosh, such a mess. I ordered some radishes, a bunch of them, but a lot of them just fell off, so that's fun. I know probably a lot of people don't put radishes in their ramen, but I like it. And then the last vegetable I ordered was carrots, because I like carrots in my ramen bowl too. Alright, so I got 2 loaves of sourdough from there to try that are vegan. The Bread Alone San Francisco sourdough. But, yes. And then I got the, what is this? Our Daily Bread sourdough. This one looks legit. This looks like a legit sourdough, like I would make it home. And now our cold bag. So I ordered these because I thought they'd be really good with apples. Bitchin' Sauce has an apple pie bitching sauce. And I was like, what? Oh god, I just dropped one. But I think that would be really good to slice up apples and dip in for a fun. I ordered the Treeline ricotta cheese, which I've never tried. I actually have 3 different vegan ricottas now, including this one, and I'm going to try to make some stuffed shells with it and see which one tastes the best. I got 2 of these Abbott's plant-based chorizo because it's really good in like a breakfast burrito. And then last but not least, they had these on sale, and these are my favorite vegan roasts. These are just the half ones, but I ordered 2 of them. The field roast, sage and garlic celebration roast. These are my favorite roasts, and it'll be really good for Christmas dinner. Hey guys, I'm just editing my Misfits unboxing, and I realized that I forgot to do the final part of it, which is talking about the pricing and stuff. So, initially my order was $87.05. I had free shipping, $1.99 operations fee. The cold pack fee was waived because I had enough ordered. And then I had a discount, that's why I ordered it, which saved me $19.12. But they did not charge me for the red cabbage because they said that it was out of stock. So they refunded me $3.99 for the organic red cabbage. So the sourdough from Our Daily Bread was $5.99. The 2 field roast celebration roasts were $15.98 together. The 2 plant-based butcher chorizos were $15.49. The organic San Francisco sourdough bread by Bread Alone was expensive. It was $7.79. The Treeline cashew ricotta was $5.99. Both of the bitchin' sauces together was $6.58. The organic green cabbage was $4.49. The organic red radishes were $3.49. The organic scallions was $1.79. The organic mystery bunched carrots was $3.49. The Lucy Glow apples was $6.99, and the 2 containers of the mandarins were $8.98. So, but that does it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!